2019 August past paper, Combined Maths 1, using sine rule and trigonometry. In a triangle ABC, the point D lies on AC such that BD is equal DC and AD is equal BC. Let angle BAC is equal alpha and angle ACB is equal beta. Using the sine rule for suitable triangles, show that 2 sine alpha cos beta is equal sine alpha plus 2 beta. If alpha is to beta is equal 3:2, using the last result in A above, show that alpha is equal pi by 6. Okay, solution for this question. This is one of the triangle ABC and point D lies on side AC such that this BD is equal DC and this AD is equal BC. See, yeah, okay. Okay, no worries. Yeah. This angle given alpha, use angle BAC alpha. This angle given beta, ACB is beta. What about this angle? This is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Therefore, this angle is beta. What about this question mark angle? In this triangle, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Therefore, this angle is equal beta plus beta, that is 2 beta. What is this question mark angle? This one. In this triangle, angles added up to 180 degree. Therefore, this angle is equal 180 minus adding these two one. Therefore, this angle pi minus alpha plus 2 beta, this angle. Consider the triangles ABD. Here we are going to use the sine rule. Therefore, BD, this BD over sine alpha is equal, this side AD over sine pi minus alpha plus 2 beta, this one. This one BD over sine alpha is equal sine 180 minus theta sine theta. Therefore, this one AD over sine alpha plus 2 beta. Substitute BD is equal CD. This distance BD is equal CD. Therefore, this BD, I put CD. Therefore, CD over sine alpha is equal AD over sine alpha plus 2 beta. So, CD over AD is equal sine alpha over sine alpha plus 2 beta. This is equation number 1. Now, consider this triangle BDC. Here also we use sine rule. CD over sine beta is equal this BC over sine pi 2 minus beta. Therefore, CD over sine beta is equal BC over sine 180 minus theta sine theta. Therefore, this is sine 2 beta. Substitute BC is equal AD. This BC is equal AD. Therefore, this BC I put AD. CD over sine beta is equal AD over sine 2 beta. Therefore, CD over AD is equal sine beta over sine 2 beta. This is equation number 1. Now consider equation number 1 and number 2. Equation number 1. This is equation number 2. 1 and 2, this quantity is equal to this quantity. That means sine alpha over sine alpha plus 2 beta is equal sine beta over sine 2 beta. This one sine alpha over sine alpha plus 2 beta is equal sine beta over double angle identity to sine beta cos beta. Sine alpha over sine alpha plus 2 beta is equal sine beta cancel 1 over 2 cos beta. Therefore, cross multiplication to sine alpha cos beta is equal sine alpha plus 2 beta. This is the first one. 2 sine alpha cos beta is equal sine alpha plus 2 beta. Next part, alpha is to beta 3 is to 2. Next part given alpha is to beta is equal 3 is to 2. Therefore, alpha over beta is equal 3 by 2. So, beta is equal to third alpha. When substituting in this equation, for beta we substitute 2 alpha by 3. Therefore, 2 sine alpha into cos 2 alpha by 3 is equal sine alpha plus for 2 beta. Beta 2 alpha by 3. Therefore, 2 beta 4 alpha by 3. 2 sine alpha into cos 2 alpha by 3 is equals this one 3 alpha plus 4 alpha 7 alpha. Therefore, sine 7 alpha by 3. This one 2 sine 2 sine 3 into alpha by 3. This alpha into cos 2 into alpha by 3 is equal sine 7 into alpha by 3. Let theta is equal alpha by 3. Now we do one of the substitution. Theta is equal alpha by 3. Therefore, this one 2 sine 3 into for this one theta. 2 sine 3 theta into cos 2 theta is equal sine 7 theta. Now we are going to solve this one. 2 sine 3 theta cos 2 theta is equal sine 7 theta. Using our previous part, solution for this one, we get theta is equal pi over 18, 5 pi over 18 and 7 pi over 18. I can show it to you. This is the previous one. The previous one, we solve this one. 2 sine 3 theta cos 2 theta is equal sine 7 theta. Here we start to solve this one. Then we expand this one and do some of the substitution. 2 theta. Then we got two values, sin theta is equal 0, cos 6 theta is half. This is a contradiction. Therefore, cos 6 theta is equal half. Then when we solve 6 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, then we do some values by putting some numbers for n. N is equal minus 1 this one, n is equal 0 this one, n is equal 1 for this one. The solution between 0 and pi by 2 are pi over 18, pi over 18, 7 pi over 18. This is the one we have done here by using the previous part. This is the solution. Okay, now here we want to find out the solution for alpha. So alpha by 3 is equal, this theta is equal alpha by 3. Therefore alpha by 3 is equal pi over 18, pi over 18 or 7 pi over 18. Therefore alpha is equal, multiply by 3, pi over 6, pi over 6 or 7 pi over 6. Here pi over 6, that is the acute angle. Pi over 6, 7 pi over 6 are obtuse angle. At triangle ABC, it is obvious alpha is an acute angle. Alpha is acute angle. That is why this triangle is formed. Therefore, this is the only possible solution. Alpha is equal pi by 6.